Living Well Daily has found a compelling niche in holistic health and wellness, a field that integrates the mind, body, and spirit for a comprehensive approach to well-being. This niche enjoys broad appeal, evergreen content, a growing trend, and strong audience engagement. Holistic health resonates with those who seek natural, preventive, and balanced lifestyles, offering content that remains relevant over time. Interest in natural remedies, alternative medicine, and whole body wellness has been on the rise as people look to reduce reliance on medications and embrace more natural practices. People passionate about holistic wellness are often highly engaged, making them likely to subscribe, comment, and actively follow content that aligns with their values. Here are some content ideas for Living Well Daily's holistic health and wellness niche. Natural remedies. Share videos about using herbs, essential oils, and homeopathy to treat common ailments naturally. Example topics include top 5 herbs for boosting immunity, natural remedies for headaches and migraines, and how to make herbal teas for better sleep. Mind-body connection. Focus on techniques that improve mental well-being by addressing physical health and vice versa. Example topics are how yoga and meditation heal the mind and body, breathwork techniques for stress relief, and progressive muscle relaxation for anxiety. Holistic nutrition. Explore the connection between food and overall well-being, focusing on clean, plant-based, and whole foods. Example topics include anti-inflammatory foods for reducing chronic pain, how to eat for balance hormones, and the gut-brain connection, foods for mental health. Spiritual wellness. Discuss mindfulness, energy healing, and practices that align mental, emotional, and spiritual health. Example topics are how to start a daily meditation practice, the benefits of Reiki for healing and energy balancing, and chakra balancing for beginners. Holistic self-care routines. Share daily routines and practices that promote overall health, such as morning rituals, detox practices, and restorative activities. Example topics include morning routine for holistic health, yoga, meditation, and herbal teas, natural detox practices to start today, and simple self-care rituals for busy days. Preventive health and wellness. Create content focused on preventing illness through lifestyle changes, regular wellness practices, and maintaining balance. Example topics are how to strengthen your immune system naturally, daily habits to prevent chronic illnesses, and the benefits of regular detoxing for long-term health. Alternative therapies. Dive into practices like acupuncture, reflexology, aromatherapy, and other alternative therapies.